Here's another thing I did in conjunction with putting the new 20-gallon tank into my downstairs office room. My shrimp will need RO DI water. What I have for my shrimp tanks upstairs is an RO DI water filter system in my bathroom upstairs, and so it's easy enough to make RO DI water up there and then use it in that room. However, it would be way too difficult to make RO DI water upstairs and then try to cart 5-gallon buckets up and down the stairs to this new tank. And so I decided to get another little RO DI system, the RO Buddie, and install it downstairs, hook it into my washing machine line. And so that's what I did yesterday. Okay, so this is where I have my washer and my dryer. Okay, so there's the dryer, and there's the washer, and there's the system. And so what I did was, you use cold water for the RO, making the RO DI water. And so I got one of those, I don't know what you call it, hose splitters or whatever, for the cold water line. And so what it does, it just splits the cold water to go either to the washer or to the RO DI system, and you just switch the levers. And so the one on the right is the supply, cold water supply for my RO DI system here, and it goes into the system there. And then I have the tubing that comes out of that blue cartridge on the front. That's the long tubing where I can just, you know, pull it down here and put the buckets down here on the floor to fill them up. The waste water from this system goes down the tube into the washer drain line or drain pipe, and so it's all good. So in fact, I made lots of buckets yesterday of RO DI water in preparation for filling up the new tank once it gets cycled. Okay, so solution to my water making dilemma. Okay, bye-bye.